Hello and welcome back to our channel. Let's take a look at the top 7 futuristic and functional electronics project. From LiFi communication to drones and gaming, we are diving into projects that you can actually build. Number 7 is a 360-degree filmmaking drone for 4K HD video using action camera. This DIY drone is a filmmaker's dream, not simply a flyer. With its 360-degree gimbal attachment, you may use a second remote control to operate any 4K action camera, such as GoPro or SJ Cam, in real time. You may keep an eye on your photos by using a second live view camera. Portable, reasonably priced, and primed for epic filmmaking. Additionally, it has a remote-controlled 2-axis camera gimbal that enables accurate camera angle adjustments while in flight. This allows for more fluid and dramatic aerial footage. You can keep an eye on the drone's perspective in real time by using the secondary camera to send live video straight to your smartphones. Using a strong BLDC monitor configuration, it guarantees steady quadcopter flight, enhancing responsiveness and balance, particularly in high-angle or moving pictures. During airborne filming, you have total creative control over the flying and camera operations thanks to the full remote control. On number 6 is a LiFi data transfer system. This technology wirelessly transfers data using LED lights. This system uses an LDR sensor as the receiver and a phone flashlight as the transmitter. It uses an Atmega microcontroller to convert light flashes into text, which is then displayed on an LCD screen. It is reliable, fast, and totally contact-free. Number 5 on the list is a contactless switch for 4-load switching that can be operated by sound and gesture, and it can control 4 different appliances without requiring any physical contact. This arrangement, which is powered by an STM32 controller, allows you to clap to turn on or off all loads in addition to recognizing left, right, up, and down hand motions for individual loads. Effective, cutting edge, and designed for contemporary residences. Number 4 is an Android streaming micro quadcopter with obstacle detection. This micro quadcopter has integrated ultrasonic sensors for obstacle detection and can send live video directly to your Android device. For both beginners and experts who desire small control with the highest level of safety, the intelligent alarm system buzzes when something approaches too closely. project is Power Grid Failure Detection System. This system uses an 8051 microcontroller to monitor the frequency and voltage. Known as islanding, the system signals a possible sync breakdown if values diverge from grid norms. It's a practical method of protecting electrical systems and averting widespread blackouts. Second on the list is Earthquake Monitor and Alerting System. This system uses an STM32 controller and a vibration sensor to detect tremors early. In addition to sending immediate SMS alerts to up to 3 registered phone numbers, it notifies customers via a buzzer. It is a small early warning system that can be installed in community center, schools, or residences. Always put safety first. And lastly, on number 1, we have a DIY Bluetooth gamepad for Android gaming. With its wireless control, push buttons, and joysticks, this DIY Bluetooth gamepad improves your Android gaming experience. It is sleek, quick to respond, and incredibly portable due to its Bluetooth module and rechargeable Li-ion battery. This pad is reliable whether you're playing at home or on the go. It is simple to pair over Bluetooth with any Android phone, which speeds up and simplifies setup. The gamepad is immediately usable after connecting. You can easily configure and comprehend the functionality by using the companion smartphone app, which shows a real-time layout of all controls, including button mapping and joystick feedback. That's it. There you have it. 7 DIY tech projects that you can build and customize on your own. Everyone will find something here, regardless of their interest in electronics, drones, smart homes, or games. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more such innovative projects, please like the video, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our uploads. If you are interested in buying any of these projects, you can book them directly from nevonprojects.com. Thanks for watching.